me, Marina. So today I'm going to be doing a back tuck challenge. I'm going to do your back tuck.
All right,
Okay,
so
jump.
all right, we got to set the timer, right, for 1 minute to see how many back tucks you can do. All right, ready? Let me find the timer. Okay, ready? And begin.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
It's hard.
I know. Take your time. 8, 9. Take a break. 10. 12.
13.
Yep, 13.
14.
14. That's it.
I got 14.
Uh-huh.
So right now I got 14. I got 14 back tucks. 14. So